Hello guys, welcome once again. In this video, I will show you how to make a simple MP3 player with the help of your C# application. In the last video, I have shown you how to add a window media player for playing video into your C# application. So I'm using this window media player tool from my last video. If you don't know how I added this window media player in my C# form, just go back to the last video and see how I have taken or added this window media player tool in my C# application. So just go and drag this window media player, this one, and just drop it here. Okay, now these are the button which I have created last time. I'm not going to use them, so this time I will use list box from here. So I will drag and drop this list box here for choosing the list of the MP3 files. Okay, and then I will take a button for choosing those files. So this button text I will change it as choose playlist. Okay, so this is for choosing the playlist, and this list box will show the playlist of the videos, and when you select any one song from here, it should play here. So once you have done that, we need this and this for this task. So just double click this button and just go at the top, and we will declare just this below this form declaration where your initialize component is there. We will declare two global variables here which are of string array type. So write string, this square bracket, files comma path. So declare these two global variables which we can use in our function. Just go back once again into your form, just double click this, and in here we are going to write the code once again. So in here just write this code. So what is this code? First of all, I will show you. So this is for opening the open file dialog and then copying the path of the files into your list box. So just write open file dialog variable name is equal to new open file dialog bracket and bracket close. If your open file dialog dot show dialog is equal to system dot windows dot forms dot dialog result dot ok, then just save the name of the file into this file variable, okay, which is a global variable file string file. So if you know, I've declared this two global variables here, file and path. So this is the first variable, file is equal to your open file dialog variable name dot save file names. Okay, so this will just copy the name of the file into this string variable called file. Then in the second line write path is equal to open file dialog 1 dot file names. So this will copy the whole path of the file into this paths variable. So it will copy all the files which you select, and it will copy all the paths which you will select and save it into this path array variable. Then write for in the bracket int I is equal to 0 semicolon, I is less than files dot length. So this is the length of this file variable, this variable. So file dot length semicolon I plus plus. Okay, and in the for condition write list box, which is the name of this list box variable. See it from here. So name of that list box dot items dot add, and just copy this files variable here, and in the square bracket write I, which is this int variable, and bracket closed. So this is just for choosing the file and placing the files into the list box. Okay, so in the list box you will only see the name of the file, and our original file will be contained by this path variable. So path of the file will be contained by this path variable, and the file names will be contained by this variable, and this we are transferring into the list box. So the list box will only show the name of the files, it will not show the path of the file, so it will look good. Now just go to your form once again and just select your list box and double click it, and we come to the list box selected index event, and in here we will write, just select your window media player tool and just copy its name. So I will copy it, and once again list box, double click it and paste it here, dot URL. Okay, and then just copy your path variable, string type variable, which we have declared above as our global variable. So write this and bracket closed, and in here we are going to pass whatever there in the list box. So whatever we choose in the list box, that path will come in this bracket. So this is array, that's why I should write square bracket here, right? And then I will go to my form, I will just select this list box and I will copy the name of the list box from here and just go there once again, and in this path array I will pass list box dot selected index. Okay, so write this. So this is only one line code, and this one line code, what it's doing is, it's whatever file or whatever name you will choose in your list box, it will copy that list or the path of that file into your window media player URL. Okay, and now let's try and run our program. So this is our program. So I will choose a MP3 file from here. So I will select one MP3 file, and when I click this MP3 file, you see the music is started, but there is still one problem with multi-select. So for example, once again I select some other file, it will be added here, but when you click this second file, it will not play and it will show some error. So let's fix this problem now. So once again go to your form here and go to your choose playlist once again, and in here we have declared earlier open file dialog name is equal to new open file dialog. So just copy this variable, and so I will copy this, and just below that I will paste it here, dot multi select is equal to true. So what this line will do is it enables us to choose files. Okay, multiple files. So now when you run your programs and when you see here, you could be able to select all the three files at the same time, right? So that's what we wanted. Just select all three files, open it, and when you play, I will just mute this, and then when you play first, it's playing first song. When you click second, it's playing the second song, and when you play third, it's playing the third song. Okay, so now you have made a simple MP3 player with the help of your Windows Form application in C Sharp. I hope you have learned something new this time. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and bye for now.